Thank you for joining me today where we are in Oxfordshire, where we are looking for
Van.
It's going to get run over. Great start. As I was saying, we are in Oxfordshire and we are looking for some air raid shelters, which I think are in reasonable condition. I have been in before. I found them actually by accident a few weeks ago when I was on a walk with my boyfriend and just wanted to come back. I did do some filming then, but realised I didn't really have enough. So I've come back today and I'm with George and we're just going to document a little bit more and see if we can find anything else. Turn you around so you can see, because there are beautiful views today. So this is Hardwick Estate, which I believe has been inhabited or at least owned since 1066, which is a long time. I'm going to continue up this driveway, which is just part of the estate. We've got stables, farm, buildings, cottages, all sorts. It's very big. Right, if we keep an eye out here on our left,
Oh my god.
you can see it's so well camouflaged. The first time I walked past this, I didn't see it was here. So there's a little bit of a clue. There is some pipes here. I think he's impressed. So it's really well disguised, look. You can see the bricks once you get up to it, but it's really covered. It is dark. I've got a torch. Just going to put the thing down and get the torch out.
Oh, that's it.
Right, we're going in. I think that would have been their toilet that I'm looking at now. There's pipework here and it's obviously the right size for a toilet, so I think probably that was the toilet. And this is the actual bunker.
Oh, I don't think there's anything dead in here.
Hopefully not. Last time we found a dead fox. It's got escape hatch here, which is gone, but there's still the hole there. And this is the pipe that we could see from the outside.
Someone's written, school is boring, but they spelled school wrong, so it just says shawl.
Quite ironic.
What a donkey.
Oh dear. Right, I think people have been playing in here because there's lino here, which I don't think is an original feature, but this is on a country estate, so I guess kids have been here. Originally when we found these, I thought that these were built for their house, probably for the residents or something like that. But I went home and researched it, and during the Second World War, the Hardwick house, actually, the family got evacuated and a company took residence there, which apparently is the Argentinian Tramway something or other. So this, I guess, was built for the staff from that. Seems a bit random, I'm not quite sure what Argentinian tramways were doing here, but there we go, apparently that's what's what.
Look how this, look.
Is it hollow?
Hollow.
Interesting.
It's a trap.
Yeah, it just sounds a bit...
Imagine if it was like... I thought this was a bit hollow as well. Up here.
So we've got the original door frame. No door on this one, but still, it's quite cool to have a door frame on it still these days.
Oh God, did you record that?
I think I just got your feet. So if you go up, come out and go up the next little...
Wait, is there one up here as well?
There is another...
Oh my God, they're neighbours.
What? There is another one here.
Oh, you can get in that one. There's a ladder.
Yeah, there is a ladder. You can get in that one.
Are we going in?
Right, he seems to think this one's blocked up, so I'm just going to have a look.
Someone's drawn
Did
blue
go,
from it.
did go in it the other day. Someone's had a bit of a sort out since I came here before, because that ladder wasn't there a couple of weeks ago and the door was open. However, I think we're going to open the door. Do you reckon? Should we open the door?
Yeah, I've got a torch.
Do you want me to go first?
I'll go first.
So the good thing about this bunker is it does actually have an original door. It's not attached to the hinges. When I came the other day it was open, but someone's obviously closed it, but it's not difficult to move, I don't think. Do you want me
Hello?
to? I'm sure we'd have heard if someone was in there.
How do I open this?
It's not on the hinges, so you're just going to have to carefully sort of move it.
It's like dug into the ground.
Do you want me to come?
I haven't got any gloves on. Alright, that'll do.
Good job.
It's stuck in the ground.
He's gone. Right, let's follow him in.
There's no one in here.
So this ladder would have been an original ladder that goes up to the escape hatch. Whether it's for this one or another one, I'm not sure. It's just the door. It's quite unusual to have a proper door on a bunker these days. Here's the door frame.
Lots of flies.
Oh.
There's loads of green gunk in the wall.
So this is the same layout as the previous one, which I'm guessing was a toilet because it's got pipes and it's small. So you can have a look at the rest.
A lot of flies. I think there's something dead in here.
So this one has the original ladder in up to the escape hatch, which is cool. I'm just going to show you. This is the one we were looking in just now. So you can still climb out there if you want.
It's dark.
Are you going to climb up? Or?
Yeah, I'll climb. Right. It's still flickering a little bit. Imagine how many people have climbed up this ladder.
Yeah, it's a good adventure.
How am I meant to get up out of here?
We'll just stick your head out the top. Right, going down. So we finished in this one now. I'm just going to put the door back how we found it. It's really heavy. That one's got the lid there, look. Straight away here we can see the lid for, I'm sure there's a official word for it, but we're going to call it the lid. The lid for the escape hatch, which is up here. I can hear some pheasants. A lot of shadows today because it's so sunny. Oh, this one's got the ladder as well. Actually a really good condition, the top of this one. The other one was a bit raggedy. There's the pipe down there. So far we have done two. We are just coming on to the third one, which hopefully is just as cool as the first two. Right, just gonna pick up my torch. Here is the third one. Come on in. Right, here's the toilet, which I think was the toilet. This one's got some graffiti. Let me just turn you around. Right, there is some stunning graffiti in this one. Really intricate. Hello, it's me from the future. I just wanted to say quickly here that most of the graffiti in these air raid shelters were chalk or sort of oil pastel crayon sort of texture. They weren't actually spray paint, which is really unusual. And the escape hatch. I do really like this graffiti. I think that's probably where there was. I think that's probably where they hung a light or something. Right, so this is the third one. So now we're going to come out of this one and go into the fourth one. Looks quite cool with all the greenery. It's really sunny, so all you can see is my shadow. Ah, the lid is in that one, look. Quite cool.
It's wedged.
Wedged, it is wedged. So in we go to the last one. You going in? Yeah. So well hidden. Anything good?
Not really. It's just empty.
Oh, broke my neck then. Again, it's the same layout, look. They are are all the same, but it's nice to see the differences. There's a few different states, so that looks quite cool. Wouldn't want that landing on your head. Right, I think we're done.
We're finished.
We're finished. What did you think?
I didn't like the second to last one. It freaked me out.
Didn't like the graffiti. There was like painted handprints on the wall, which was a bit freaky. Let's see how well camouflaged this one is. Even if you're just walking past it, you wouldn't know it was there. You look at it from where we walked past, you'd never know it's there, look. So I thought it was cold. It was actually snowing this morning. So I put 2 pairs of leggings on and a jumper and a coat. But I am now absolutely baking. Such an error. I like that they were all in different conditions. Some of them had a ladder, some of them didn't. One of them had a door, one of them didn't.
One of them was blocked up.
One of them was blocked up. One had graffiti in it, the others didn't. One had lino on the floor, so I think someone's been using it as a little playhouse or something, which is cool. But these aren't on the map, so because they're on a private estate, I think. So it was cool. I just stepped in a poo. I was trying to pretend I didn't, I did. Oh, the leaves are starting to come out. I actually forgot to film an outro to this video, so I just wanted to stop here and say thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Please consider subscribing and turning your notification bell on, so when I next upload a video you will be notified.